Hey everybody, this is a continuation of the shed table saw video. There's got the boards on the side, the plywood. I ain't really worried about that gap where it don't fit up because we're gonna rip these 2x4s down to 1x and trim it all in. But the saw works good for nice pile of sawdust. The saw works good for ripping these 2x4s down. You set that rip fence right there, and then stop throwing that stuff. You set the rip fence about that far, and you can run a 2x4 down in there and end up with nice 1x's. Come out pretty good. So I'm gonna make a video of ripping one real quick. It's a little bit crooked, but that's probably just from us not holding it perfectly hard against the fence. If you had two fences, you could do it good, because it would hold it in there straight and put it in there perfect. But it cuts out 2x4 pretty good. These are old scrap 2x4s that some windows came to a job site. These 2x4s were crates. They're busting them apart and throwing them in the trash. I got like a whole trailer full of scrap 2x4s. I'm gonna reuse them and put them on my shed. Alright, so I got a couple of them rips done and then put them up. And then that's what we did. We framed it in. That's the seams, so it hides the seams. We did the corners to hide the corners. I am going to do one for a back across that seam, and then I'm eventually going to do the whole seam between the roof and the wall. I'll do all that with the same 2x4 width, which is 3.5, but they'll be 3/4 by 3.5 because I'm ripping the 2x4s in half. And then all that's left is the front, and I'm still undecided on how we're going to do it. We're going to put some T111 up now, and then I don't know, but we're really putting the new table saw through its paces, and that thing works good. So if you're thinking about getting one, it's a good saw. Dewalt portable 10-inch table saw. This thing works great. Thanks for watching.